Okay, here we go. Lewis Wagner and drawing on Earth and art teaching in the world of a virus. So blessings to everybody. And what we're going to do today is the lesson is on three-dimensional space. So we're actually jumping right into some super complicated stuff. And so three-dimensional space. So here is a two-dimensional plane. And because this camera's backwards, I have to go back and forth to be like, hey, wait a minute, where is that line? Yeah. Okay, great. And it's crooked, but you'll figure it out. So if I can see this plane, that's 2 dimensions. That means that I can't see any other of the sides because they're being hidden. They're hiding. They're hiding behind this. If I go here, if I move this above my eye level, you can see that line underneath it. I can see underneath it. If I come down in the middle, my line's still crooked, is that now I can see the top, right? I can see 2 planes. Now if I go, so if you understand that, that's awesome. So right in the middle is this invisible horizon line. And the horizon line is right up against my eyes. My horizon line is unique to where I'm sitting or where I'm standing at any given moment. It's my horizon line. It goes out this way. So if I would put, it would be right here, right? And so if I go to one side, I can see this side. And then if I go to this side, I can see that side. So if you understand what I just did, if you can figure out what I just did, then you can understand three-dimensional space. And what I just did applies to everything in the known universe. And I'll talk about that in a little bit. Once you start doing this, it just gets really complicated. So we're not in this world yet. We're going to move into 2-point perspective and how to put values on a sphere to make something look dimensional. Okay, so that was one. The next one, right, is our sphere. And it's got that center line again. Imagine it's the center line from the top of your head down to your feet, right? Your center line. Or imagine it's the center line like in the middle of a painting, right down the middle. And so, or you're looking at a sphere. So I've got slides that I'm going to talk about with this. But the idea is watch that center line, right? See how it's a vertical line? So when I move it this way, it starts to curve. See how it curves? See how there's this curve and it's here. See that curve, right? If it comes back to the middle, then it's a centered line right down the middle. And then when it goes on this side of your drawing or your picture or your photograph, it curves again. So that's also how the known universe works. We could also look at it like this. So if we go above, it will curve up. If we go below, my eye it curves, it has a different curve. So I will talk about that with some pictures coming up. So what you're going to need is a sketchbook, paper, pencils, a ruler, and something to make a circle with. Like I just use a piece of tape. I don't have it here, like a piece of blue tape. One of those, so I can lay it down because I want to draw a whole circle. Okay, here we go.